Hey Clara, I've been reading up on subscribing to Punchout catalogues, but I'm not quite sure how to properly integrate them. Can you explain it to me?
Sure, Ben. Let's go through the process step by step. There are a few key points you need to keep in mind. You start by subscribing to the Punchout catalog on the wescale network. To do this, go to Network and then to Products and Services.
And what do I do if I can't find the catalog right away?
No problem. If you only know the supplier, go to Network and then to Company. The catalog should be linked on the supplier's company page.
And then what happens next?
Open the details page of the Punchout catalog and click on Subscribe to Catalog.
What happens then?
A wizard opens and guides you through the subscription process. At the end, the required connections on the purchasing and supplier side are automatically created by the system, and the users involved are notified.
Are there any specific requirements I need to consider?
Yes, there are some important points. Active business relationship. Make sure there is an active business relationship between your company profile and the supplier. Otherwise, you must first request a business relationship. Published content profile. There must be a published content profile for the catalog you want to subscribe to. Catalog per country. The catalog must be subscribed to for each country in which you want to use it, as countries have different currencies and tax rates, among other things.
What happens after I subscribe to the catalog?
You have to complete the connection. You can find all your connections to a Punchout catalog under Administration, Content, Punchout Catalog Connections.
Are there any other ways to open the connection?
You can open the connection via a notification, the link in the email, the task, or directly in the system. You can jump back and forth between the subpages of the connection without losing your entries.
What do I do within the connection?
Under General, you will find information about the catalog and suppliers. You can change the description texts and images for the catalog according to your wishes under Customizations.
What about the outbound configuration?
Under Outbound Configuration, you can define the specific mappings for your connection. Here you can also adjust the default mapping of the Punchout catalog.
And what do I have to consider with the target system settings?
If wescale is your target system, the system usually knows this automatically, select the appropriate classifications for the catalog so that later in productive use, users can also find the Punchout catalog in shopping via the product group filter. If it is a catalog to be migrated, activate the migration button and select the existing catalog that you want to migrate.
What if another procurement system like WPS4 or WPS Classic is my target system?
Then you set the catalog ID for your procurement system in the target system settings. If you want to migrate the catalog, you should enter the catalog ID of the existing catalog.
What happens when I have completed everything?
Click on Release for testing. The supplier will be notified.
That was really helpful, Clara. Now I have a better understanding of how to integrate a Punchout catalog.
I'm glad I could help you. If you have any other questions, let me know.